Hi everybody, welcome back to Real Estate Investing Adventures. Why? Because real estate is fun and it should always be an adventure. If you're a return guest, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, who the heck am I? My name's Joe Jurek. I'm a real estate investor and I get to travel all over the country, like beautiful Hawaii. And I work with investors just like you, trying to get started in real estate or take their real estate investing to the next level. In this video, I'm going to talk about strategies for no money down deals. If you have not watched my playlist on strategies for no money down deals, I definitely recommend that you click on that. In this video, the no money down deal strategy that we're going to talk about are assumable mortgages. Now, over the years, some mortgages were assumable, and over the years, a lot of mortgages may have a clause that their mortgage is not assumable. However, there are assumable mortgages out there. You just have to look. One idea might be people will often purchase real estate with owner financing. Maybe they decide after a time they no longer want the property. The owner could take it back, but there are owners that don't want to take it back. They just want the cash flow. They don't want the headache. So this is what I would target. I would try to advertise for people that have a mortgage, they want out of their property, and it's assumable. Now, especially if it's with a for sale by owner and they drafted some sort of agreement, you need to review that agreement or have an attorney review the agreement with you. There could also be smaller banks or smaller credit unions out there that are willing to have people assume the mortgage. Sometimes it's a matter of just negotiation, especially with small credit unions or smaller banks. The other thing that I would tell you to do is talk to different attorneys and see if they have clients that maybe need to unload some properties, and they might be in a position to help you do that because they're going through a situation. An attorney is a great member for your power team, as we discussed before. If you haven't watched the videos on Power Team, make sure you watch a playlist. That'll help you. But any type of mortgage or instrument or agreement that the seller has, I would definitely encourage you to have an attorney review that to make sure that you keep everything legal and above board and kind of how it should be. So continue to watch other videos and this playlist. I will continue to add to it. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button down in the corner. And I'm always trying to put new videos out each and every day. So good luck on your real estate investing adventure. Go make those dreams a reality. Take care. Believe and achieve. Bye-bye.
Do it now. Believe and achieve. Take care.